Hey guys, welcome to TeamCodingPlaza. Today we are going to looking into the concept of case statement. Yeah. So coming to the concept, a case is like there will be an interview question that whether you can able to use if else conditions in the SQL. Okay, so we can able to use that in PLSQL, but in SQL how it is possible? Okay, it's a in programming language okay, but in SQL how we have to use that? Do you have any idea? Please, if any idea is there, please comment in comment block. Okay, now today I'm going to show this how to do that in this only. There will be two options will be there. Decode also will be there, but decode is not that much efficient to use the if else block because that is just to show that. But here you can able to use the conditions like where you can able to filter the data, you can able to show the result. That I am going to see. See here hr.employees one data is there. No, then I am going to write a query that my requirement is that so print the so whether employee is eligible for increment or not. Okay, so print the employees eligible for increment. Okay, more than 10,000. No 10,000. Okay, more than 20,000. Okay, so more than 20,000 salary people will be eligible for increment this quarter. So for this, I have to print their name and eligible or not, that only. Okay, select what I want to print, that employee ID basic details will be there. Employee ID and first name, last name. So I'm concatenating this first name, last name, then salary. Then after coming to here, I want to show this setup now. Yeah, for that I have to use this case when this was the set. Okay, case when, then after you have to write the condition. Okay, then salary greater than 20,000. Then what I have to show that and print the eligible for increment. Okay. It's not eligible. You have to use the end. Okay, see here syntax. Okay, when salary will be a 20,000. Okay, so if I want to use any and condition also, I can use the or condition. I can use and sal and okay, manager is allocated or not also I will check. So manager underscore ID is not high. Okay, this condition also entering because manager is must and true, right? He has to approve. Okay, so this I have written that in. I'm giving alias as also can give you more. Space you give, you can able to write. Okay, so status, the status will be there. So status you can able to show from HR dot vice. Okay, so the query I'm going to execute this. It will come on here. It will come along. Let's see. You know how much big this table also be taking a lot of time to write. But now it's showing to be more or like this start to try. Let's see. I think you have to comment it or else it will be executable. So manager ID is so manager then you have to give. Yes. So first name, last name, employee name, Malia I'm giving. So 100 Steve King 24,000 salary is not eligible. Eligible for increment what happening operable not eligible coming not eligible. What is the reason? Manager ID is a problem of eligible for increment. But in problem with manager ID that I can check later. Okay, so 100 Steve King and 24,000 eligible for the increment. Okay, so 17,000 salary not eligible, not 9,000, 4,000 something and all that. Okay, most of the people not eligible who are all having the salary 24,000. Okay, I will keep that less than 20,000 salary people will be eligible. See, he is not eligible, Steve King. and eligible for increment. These are all eligible for the increment. Okay, like this you can able to use the case statement. If it's like if condition, when means if. Okay, then like this you can able to use the another thing also. Another like this only, when salary greater than 20 equal to salary less than 25,000, then review has to be in a okay. Here extra condition I have added in only. So between that, anything in between also I can use. I think whatever the filtered where you are using, everything can able to use in when. Okay, subquery you can use. Yeah. Eligible for the increment for 20 to 25,000 salary people has to be reviewed. So then only they will be so like this report my manager will be asked. Then I will be download the CSV. Then I will be keep that. CSV has been downloaded now. So I can report this to my manager. Okay, so this is what the requirement. Okay, like this you have to use. So you can able to refer once again this query and this thing. It is the part of that. So case when condition. Okay, again when you can able to use, but case first and then last, then alias you can give, and in between when then last else last else, like if else only. Here if instead of if we have used when, that's what the syntax. That's it, nothing. Instead of if we have used the when. Yeah, like this you can able to use the SQL level if else condition. You can satisfy that. I hope everyone understood the concept. Okay, if you want more means clear everything required, please comment in comment section. Definitely, I will make a video on this. More descriptive. Okay, yeah. Thank you for watching the video, guys. So please share, subscribe, and like the video.